Hello everybody. Today I would like to show you how to know all of paper size in Autocad. Before starting with this lesson, make sure that you have an Autocad program. Okay, now let's start our lesson. First, you have to press Ctrl P. After you press Ctrl P, you see plot style model. In plot style model, you see page setup, printers, plotter, where description, and paper size. In paper size, you have to click. So you see a lot of paper here. So you want to know about the size of A0 paper. Okay, let's see the number in this parenthesis. The Y of paper 0 is 1189 and the height is 841, and A0 here it is opposite from the bottom. It has the Y 841st and the height is 1189 and A1 paper it has the Y 841 and the height is 544 94, sorry. And you see it is very important for you to create the paper in AutoCAD. For example, I want to create paper A4 in AutoCAD, so I have to press a reset app and then I press enter. After that I click on no and choose metric. So I have to put the scale factor. I want 100 factor and I press enter. After that I have to put one paper. One paper of A4 paper is 297 and the height is 210. So I click enter. Here is A4 papers. So it is very important for you to know about the paper, the size of paper in AutoCAD. Okay, that's all for my videos. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.